What's up, guys? In today's video, we're gonna be checking out the new update. So, as you can see, the snow's gone. Like, yeah. What I wanna see is, oh, okay. The map is still here. Oh, what happened to here? There's still snow. Yeah. Wait, can you pick up? No way. Dang. You can't pick up snow, bro. Dang, that's crazy. I heard they changed force, so let's check that out. Oh, oh my, what the heck? Well, that's nice. They changed it back to OG, so yeah. No more 99 nights because it was kind of annoying. I didn't like 90. I didn't like 99 nights. Yup. Oh well. What's a graveyard? Wait. You can't. Wait. You can't chop trees anymore. Yo, that's sad. Doesn't that mean that logs are rare now? Dang, I didn't collect any logs, so good. I heard people say graveyards in the Dark Forest, so let's. Okay. Oh, here it is. Back to OG. Okay. Okay, so. Damn, son. Hell? The hell? You good, man? I don't know, man. They're dropping dead bodies now in the freaking floor. Wait, what happened to Lake? Okay. Yo, it's still snow. It's still snowing. So, what the heck? What are you doing? These do not help you float. Yes, the sun's still here. You deleted the dragon pistol and the double RP. That's just sad. Oh well, I guess that's the end. That's crazy. I'm gonna check. See you guys in the OG map. I'm gonna cut the video and I'm gonna go to OG to see what it's like. Alright, so it's still snowing, so yeah. Can you also go to the shop? Yeah, you can. Wait, there's no more snow on the couch anymore. Wait, wasn't there a writing on that board? Oh, time to go away. that's the end of the video, guys. So I hope you enjoyed, but if I missed anything, type it in the comments because this is all I know. Bye bye.